Hey, how are you?
I have a question. Are you going to be recording the dances?
Yes. I want to try to put it on YouTube this time.
Thanks.
I thought I liked it. I must.
You
must
did
have
not
missed it.
do mine.
Someone who does.
Can you give a speech?
Speech? I'm just a kid. You need to get someone famous.
Namaste, Ash. You are famous. Will you give a speech?
Sorry, but you need someone more famous. Try your governor. By the way, do you know the meaning of namaste?
Namaste. And you write this down because this is something we're going to be using every Sunday from now on. And men, I need you to get it. Ladies, I want you to get it, but especially I want my men and boys to get it. Namaste. That's a Hindu term. Namaste. Say that. Say it again. Namaste, Jerome, means the divinity within me salutes the divinity within you. Y'all missed it. Namaste means the divinity within me salutes the divinity within you.
That's hard. That's true.
Governor Christ, will you give a speech?
I'd love to, but I'm not governor anymore. Why don't you try President Obama?
Okay, I will try, Obama. Obama, I need a speech.
Obama? I am not Obama. I am Osama. How did you find me?
That's what I say, Obama.
Osama.
Okay, Obama.
Osama. My name is Osama bin Laden. Forget it. Try the White House. Hey, Basan boy. This is good. What is this?
Obama, this is veggie pakoda.
It's good, but spicy. And call me Mr. President.
You kidding? It's not Tiku. I am the president.
No. It is spicy, and I am the president.
Not Tiku anymore. I am the president. Hey, bottom line. Will you give the Diwali speech?
No.
On behalf of the American people, I want to extend my warmest wishes for Diwali to all who celebrate this auspicious holiday, here in America and around the world. Diwali is the festival of lights, a time when members of some of the world's great faiths celebrate the triumph of good over evil. Its significance is laid out in the Sanskrit verse, lead us from falsehood to truth, from darkness to light, from death to immortality. In Hinduism, Diwali marks the return of the Lord Ram from exile when small lamps lit his way home. The lighting of these lamps continues today, marking the celebration as a time of reflection on the year gone by, and a time to pray for the good year to come. In Jainism, the occasion celebrates the attainment of nirvana by Lord Mahavir, one of the long-alive spiritual leaders known for achieving enlightenment by freeing themselves from basic impulses and emotions. In Sikhism, Diwali is a celebration of freedom for Guru Gobind, who religion's sacred rules. Well, this is a time for celebration. It's also a time for contemplation. When we remember those who are less fortunate, those who may not be eating as heartily or celebrating as festively, those who don't enjoy the same rights to speak and worship freely, and make of their lives what they wish. Our hearts are with them, not just today, but every day. At this sacred time of year, let us join together across denominations, religions, and cultures to make a habit of empathy, reach out to those most in need, to share the blessings we enjoy and advance the cause of peace in all corners of our world. As families and communities gather to rejoice and reflect on the great food and delicious Natalia, please know that you are in our thoughts. Michelle and I wish you a happy Diwali and Saludan.
વેલકમ એવરીબોડી. આપ સૌ આ દિવાળીના એન્યુઅલ ફંક્શનમાં હાજર રહ્યા છો. આપ સૌનો ખૂબ આભાર. નવા વર્ષમાં આપ સૌને હેપી દિવાળી એન્ડ હેપી ન્યૂ યર. આપ સૌના સહકારથી દરેક પ્રોગ્રામો ખૂબ સારી રીતે થાય છે. ઓલ્સો બાલ વિકાસના ક્લાસીસ we are doing very good in Tallahassee. તેમજ ઉત્તરાયણ, હોળી, પેરેન્ટ્સ ડે, એઝિયા ફેસ્ટિવલ, જન્માષ્ટમી, નવરાત્રિ તથા ભજનોના પ્રોગ્રામો પણ ખૂબ સારી રીતે થાય છે. આ સમાજમાં જે લોકોએ આ વર્ષે બધી એક્ટિવિટીમાં જે ડોનેશન આપ્યા છે તેમનો પણ હું ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. કિચનમાં પણ બહેનો અને ભાઈઓનો ખૂબ સહકાર મળ્યો છે, તેમનો પણ હું ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. સ્પેશિયલી થેન્ક્સ ટુ પેન ગેસ સ્ટેશન એન્ડ ફેમિલી એન્ડ સ્ટાફ. કમિટીના મેમ્બર્સો તથા તેમના ફેમિલીનો પણ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. સ્પેશિયલી થેન્ક્સ ટુ માય વાઇફ ઉષા એન્ડ ફેમિલી કે જેણે મને સમાજના કામો કરવા માટે ખૂબ સહકાર આપ્યો છે. લેટ્સ એન્જોય ધ રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધ પ્રોગ્રામ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.